I've got a job to do from work here. It's a brake pad carrier or a caliper carrier of a Mercedes car, and that thread in there is stripped. This is quite a common fault. It happens on lots of cars that use this particular setup. That's a strange thread. I know the thread is 9mm by 1.25. A real strange thread. It's to stop you from screwing an 8mm bolt or a 10mm bolt in. So if we measure it, it is indeed 9mm. Well, it's under 9mm, but the size is 9mm. And the pitch is 125. I have got a thread repair kit, helicoil kit, and that's the insert there. So I've got the means to fix it. The most important thing is that's going to be dead straight. You can't freehand these. It's much better if you do it clamped in a milling machine. That face there is flat, so I can clamp it down on that face under there with a block and simply drill that out and put a helicoil in. That can be clamped down nice and tight on top of there, and that's going to do the job for us, no problem at all. Just make sure we can't get things under the yeah, we can get that, no bother. So I'll clamp it on there and then get it repaired. Right, we've got it gripped nicely now onto a flat face, which is parallel with that hole. The kit comes with the correct size drilling to do the job. It's cast iron, it's fairly soft, so it should drill no bother. This is where the space on this milling machine pays dividends. You couldn't get this in here if it wasn't for the spacer lifting the head up. We're kind of going to eyeball this into here. Right, so the drill's not being deflected as it goes in. A little bit of lube won't do any harm. That's right at the bottom of the hole now. It's fairly painless. I've got a good grip on the top, but not that tight, so it should slip once it gets into the bottom of the hole. It should be about there. Yep, that's it. Make sure that all the swarf is just a shite out of there. Looks pretty good. The hole's deep enough we can put a full length insert in there. That's the tool to insert it. That's a little driving tang on the bottom. There's a little nick in there and you snap it off once you get it inserted. A little bit lower. You don't need any Loctite or glue on here. Once they're in, they don't come out. Screw it in until the end of the insert is roughly half a turn underneath the end of the casting, which is basically there. Right, that's nice. It's just underneath the surface. You can leave the tag on in this particular case, but I might as well snap it off. That's it. The new pin screws in merrily, and it is absolutely square. I was sitting on the shore, that caught me on else. Quite happy with that. Bastard. Oh, Johnny.